Hey guys, today I've got with me the Darkflash GD68 mechanical keyboard. It's a non-RGB backlit keyboard and I'm super excited to unbox this. It's got the yellow switches. The color is the milky brown, which is this colorway, which is basically a beige and cream colored combo. It says here it's got both wired and wireless modes. It's got a life cycle of 50 million times. It's got 68 keys. Comes with a 1200 mAh lithium ion battery. This keyboard supports both Windows and Mac. So I'm gonna try to unbox this now. to Unlimited! Interesting box. So there is a box within the outer box. Comes with extra yellow switches. Yeah. Tactile and silent. We also have the USB cable, USB-C to USB-A. We also have a key puller. We have the keyboard itself. You know what? For a budget keyboard, this is actually quite weighty. I'm actually impressed. It's actually quite heavy. Within the plastic wrap, there is also a plastic box that is like a little case that covers on-off switch right over here. Then you've got licks, and you've also got LED lights right over here, or USB-C connector right over here. So this is what it looks like. So this is what the GD68 sounds like. It feels very tactile, very smooth. Setting the keyboard down, you also have the paperwork. Okay, so overall I think I'm pretty happy with how it looks like. I really like the color. It's got the off-white, cream, beige, brown, very light brown combination. Stay tuned for more and subscribe if you want to see more like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!